नासायचा.
First of all, till the time Mahar regiment is here, you don't need to worry. We are here since the day one. We will definitely sure that this village, not a single house get burned, and that the first bullet will come. I try my best. My boys are sitting in front of your village. I am patrolling both sides so that there is no casualty. But this unnecessary fire which is being happening, last 3 days it was very fine. Everything was going smooth, but suddenly things popped up. Still, we are able to manage and control the fire, and we will gonna control this. Have our words. We will ensure peace and tranquility in the region. I have already spoken to your representatives and the village authorities, and they have full trust on us, and we have trust in you. Please have faith on us. Thank you.
Thank you.